So this is the current window. This needs to be cut all the way to the bottom of the floor. And this is becoming a window well outside. This is the egress window outside. And the door I'm talking about, this is the door, 33 inches right now. It needs to be 60 inches. You'll see the drawing. It goes this way, cut across this way. There is a wall inside, a cement wall, all the way to the floor. This needs to be 60 inches wide from here, this side. We need a column on this side and we need a column on that side. And then we need a support header on this side. That's the project. Everything needs to be cleaned out, completed, finished. The way it is now, not with the wallpaper, maybe not the paint, but we need a drywall and finish everything once this is done, just like the way it is here. We need to be same thing on the other side of the wall as well. And also the same thing with the window. It needs to be finished. Once the seal is done, the seal is finished. We can paint it separately. That's a different issue. But it needs to be totally finished like this, the way it is now, all the way to the bottom.